It's Halloween! Hey y'all, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Also, pretty please hit the subscribe button so you can follow along as I post new videos. So, I went to the store the other day and I got one of those really crappy, like, family face painting kits. And we're gonna paint our face today. Now, it's not gonna be good because I'm not a makeup artist, but we're gonna do our best. I also got this cute little Star Wars light up pumpkin. Now, the face paint that I've decided to do is, since the Joker's popular right now, I decided, you know what? Let's do the Joker's makeup. Because I did look up, like, Joaquin Phoenix's The Joker. And I kind of decided I wanted to blend it with Heath's Joker. So we're gonna kind of meld the two today. Now, to be honest, I haven't seen The Joker because I don't watch superhero movies. So let's get cracking. There we go. I don't think we need blood. And I don't really want to put the blood on me. We're just gonna do easy peasy Joker face. Now, I know he has a completely white face, so we might end up using all this white, and let me make sure my hand's out of the way. I'm a little scared to do this. Oh, that's not gonna work, but let's try the cream. I really don't think this paste is gonna cover my whole face, like as white as it needs to be. So we're gonna try to use the cream. This isn't gonna go well. It. I'll be right back. I need scissors. Ooh. Ooh, that's cold. Pretend this is a beauty blender. Ooh. Beauty blend this shit. It's just white going on white. This feels disgusting. This is the most disgusting feeling. Is this toxic? None of this better be toxic. Oh, what did I do to myself? People do this for Halloween and then go sweat. Like, I live in Texas. This would feel disgusting in 90-degree weather for Halloween. Oh, Joaquin looks way better in this than I do, that's for dang sure. And I can't even blame this on anyone. Like, I chose to do this completely to myself. I look like Mrs. Doubtfire. That's what I look like. Hello! Beauty YouTubers would be appalled at my blotting skills. It's $6 makeup, so I think I get a pass. This is the worst decision I ever made. I have this little stupid tool. Oh, this is not a good decision. Well, let's get rid of these eyebrows that I did so nicely today. Eyebrows are sisters, not twins. And in this case, eyebrows are cousins. Siri, play Mad World. I can't. I look ridiculous. I don't know if this is good. Is this toxic? Things I do for entertainment. I'm beautiful. I look like a sad clown. Since we're doing it a mix between the two guys, I'm not gonna do diamonds because I kill my eyes. And we're gonna pat it. This is sad. As far as I can go, it's not bad. Do you like it? That was me doing the Joker. Do I look Jokerish? Do I kind of look like Joaquin? I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe so you can follow along as I post new videos every week. I would really, really appreciate it. If you saw the Joker, tell me in the comments if you liked it or not. Tell me why I should see it. Who knows? I don't know what to tell you. Just happy Halloween, I guess. Oh, this is gonna be a pain to wash off.